If your water reverse osmosis system is tasting kind of weird, it might be time for a cartridge change. That was the situation with us. So we have the G2 system, the Waterdrop G2 system with the 2 cartridges there. It was there when we moved into this house, and it's worked really well for a couple of years now, but it was definitely time for a change for the cartridge. So I got this in the mail. Let's see. Let's unbox this and see what's in it. Okay. This is right from Waterdrop. I think my husband already took this out though. Okay, so it comes packaged nicely with this foam in there. And here it is. Okay, WD-G2CF, pre-sediment and carbon black filter. Yeah, this looks like the right one. Okay. Okay, great. So this is what it looks like unboxed, and I'm excited to get this in and just install it so that our water doesn't taste so gross anymore. Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I dropped for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye!